We have here Sergio, the seagull, being a retard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh look, she threw it right at her feet.
Sergio!
Don't waste another one. Can't even eat a Dorito right. Seriously, how many times does it take to... Oh, and that lost the other half. Oh, finally. Not as retarded as before, but still. Here we have Sergio the retard.
Hey!
Flying away. You know the sign that say, don't feed the seagulls? Well, we're breaking the rules. We're rebels. Uh-oh, another one.
Bye, Sergio!
It's getting chased. This is a high-speed pursuit. It's dead.